What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add an item to your cart on Alibaba. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to log in into your Alibaba. You want to log in and then you want to search for the product that you want to add to your cart. Now, for example, if you want to buy, for example, just go with speakers. So after you search for the product that you want to buy, here is what you need, and this is very important. You want to select here where it says the product features. Under that you will see here ready to ship. You want to check it. Okay, if you don't check ready to ship, like, Alibaba will show you suppliers who don't have these items in stock, and you can't really add these items to your cart. Okay, for that reason. Now after that, guys, if you want to buy, for example, only one product, you want to add here where it says max, you want to add one. If you want to buy like 10, you can add 10. For example, I like to buy one product, click OK. That's it. Now all these items you can add them to your cart. For example, I would like to add this item to my cart, click on it, and if you can see here at the bottom here in their contact supplier, you will see here add to cart. Click on it, but make sure you select the quantity that you want. For example, click this plus and then click on add to cart, and this product will be in your cart. As you can see in the top right, click on your cart in the top right and you will find this product. As you can see, I have added multiple products. Now if you want to pay for this, you just want to check this, click check out, and that's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. You just need to add the address here, and the bottom you're gonna add the credit number. That's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone within like a few minutes. You guys